Hello students, we are doing Act 4 Scene 1. This is the climax of the scene where now Shylock he is very happy that he is going to get the flesh from the chest of Antonio. But then Portia she tells him that you have to cut his flesh from the chest and the law allows you. But then she makes him to wait there, that there is something else in the bond. The bond does not permit you to shed the smallest drop of blood. Now, when she says that, Bassanio he is very happy, and he says, "What an upright judge you are." Now, Shylock he says, "Is that the law?" She says, "Yes, this is the law, and it is very strict law." So Shylock he says that I am ready to have my earlier offer. So Bassanio he is very ready to give the money, but Portia stops him. No. Do not be in such a hurry, we will have nothing but the penalty. So, now Shylock he is saying, give me only my principal amount and let me go. And again Bassanio he is ready to give, but Portia she refuses, that he had refused in the open court, that he wants the justice. So Portia she says that you will not get anything but the penalty to be taken at your own risk. So then he says, let him take it everything. So Portia she says that the claim on you is that if a foreigner, that is Shylock, in the Venetian citizens, he conspires directly or indirectly, he has to lose half of the property to the other person and half to the state. So Duke he says that in order see the difference, that I am going to leave it. I am not going to take half the wealth now. Your half wealth belongs to Antonio and the other half to the treasury. But we can reduce it to the fine instead, if you humbly beg for mercy. So Portia she says, yes, as far as the state's half is concerned, but not Antonio's. Antonio will decide what he wants. And what mercy can you show to him? She asks Antonio that what mercy you will show to him. So Antonio he says that he will let me have the other half in trust so that I may give it. That is, he will be giving it to his daughter when he dies. So he has to make a will that after his death, his property will go to Jessica and Lorenzo. So Duke says he shall, and Portia she says whatever he wants. And then upon that Antonio says, I want him to become a Christian also. He has to be a Christian. So then Shylock he says, I am not feeling well, and he leaves out from there. Now Portia she asks Bassanio to give his ring as a gratitude. But then as Bassanio was going on saying that what favor he wants, he was ready to give her the amount, the 3,000 ducats, as Shylock has not taken, you can take it. But she says, no, I don't want that. Instead of that, she tells Bassanio that I will take, if you urge me so much, I'll take the gloves of Antonio and your ring. But then Bassanio says no. He says the ring is of a small value. I'll be ashamed to give it to you. I will give you some more insignificant gift. That is, I'll give you something else. So she says no. I want this ring only. But he says this ring is very close to me. I can't. So Antonio he says that my lord Bassanio, let him take the ring. Let this meritorious service and the love you have for me influence you more than your wife's command. So you give it a ring. It is a ring only. But then Bassanio he says, okay, go Britannia, run and overtake, give this ring to him, and you can bring him to Antonio's house. Hurry up. And then they move out and